In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Outlook profile picture. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and a couple of simple tips to make your photo look great across Outlook. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Outlook. Select the official Outlook website from the results to open Outlook on the web. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your inbox. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in. Go ahead and log in with your Microsoft account for the mailbox you want to update. If you use more than one account, double-check you're in the correct inbox before you continue. Once you're in Outlook, look to the top right corner of the page and click your current profile picture. If you don't have one yet, you'll see your initials in a small circle. Clicking that opens your profile area so you can make changes. A new page or panel will open showing your profile details and your current picture. This is where you'll upload your new image. Choose the option to add a photo. A file picker window will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your photo is stored, select the image you want, and then click Open. For best results, use a clear, front-facing headshot with good lighting. Common formats like JPG or PNG work well, and a reasonably high-resolution image will look sharper. If you prefer, there's an alternative. You can drag and drop your image directly from a folder on your computer into the browser. Open your File Explorer or Finder, click and hold your photo, drag it over the upload area in Outlook, and release when you see the drop zone highlight. If drag and drop doesn't trigger an upload, just use the Add a Photo button and choose the file instead. After the image uploads, you'll get simple editing controls. Use the slider to zoom in or out so your face is centered and fills the frame comfortably. If your image is tilted, use the rotate option until it looks right. Remember that your photo displays as a circle in many places, so keep important parts of the image away from the edges. When you're happy with the preview, click Save. That's it. Your new profile picture will update in Outlook, and it may sync to other Microsoft apps as well. Changes can take a few minutes to appear everywhere, so don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. If you don't see the option to change your photo, it may be restricted by your organization's settings. Otherwise, you're all set with a clean, professional-looking Outlook profile picture.